So here's the rest of the drone in its packaging. As you can see, all of the other parts are still in their original plastic packaging. I haven't opened them yet, and I'm not planning to open them. See all the parts, the cables, the propellers. The only thing that's not wrapped in plastic overall is the charger, the controller, and the drone. Now the drone has a sort of a rubber guard here at the back in order that the battery won't come in contact with the electrical contacts of the drone, and which would result in a discharge of the battery. Now, since the seller is disputing my complaint regarding the controller, I reluctantly tried to turn on this drone to find out if there are any problems. So I charged the battery, as you can see. There's 3 bars on the battery indicator, and now I'm going to try to remove this rubber guard and connect the battery to the drone. You see the drone at the back has this metal pins which comes in contact with the plugs in the battery. So insert it like this. You can hear it click. As you can see, the drone is still in good condition. No scratches, no sign of physical damage. Now let's try to turn it on. This is the power on button here at the back, which also serves it as a power indicator button. So you have to press it for 2 seconds in order for the drone to turn on. See, yeah, it's not turning on. So there's something wrong with this item. So despite the crack on the left antenna, now you have a drone that's not working. Despite that the battery is already charged. Although I didn't charge it fully enough, I just want to test it if it's functional. So I hope this video would help in my dispute resolution, because this is a very expensive item and I don't want to end up with a very expensive paperweight in the process. Thank you.